Assist Blade Brave. If I'm right. Yeah. The Brave Assist Blade. Okay. So this one is your Wizard Art, which its Assist Blade is an art. It's like a circle, as I know. Yeah. So we have here. Yeah. So we have here this side. Right there. The blade can be disassembled by the gear chip. The blade, the main blade, and then the assist blade. The assist blades are, is it a rad? This is S. I don't know. So maybe I will have a yeah, I want to understand this. Maybe I will translate this on the Google. Yeah, so that's it, as you can see there, man. Yeah, so the parts of our Wizard Art, the blade is composed of 3. Yeah, as again, the assist blade, the main blade, and the gear chip. And then we have our ratchet. The ratchet is for 55. How can we have a 55? Yeah, it's the lowest of all the ratchet, so it's really small. But with the addition of the assist blade, maybe it will go higher, maybe a little bit. And then the, what's this? Okay, the blade, or no, the beat is LO. So LO, or LO is, what is it in LO? LO, low orb? Little orb? but the O is orb, as I know. So now I understand why it's called S660V, because the S is from the assist blade, and then here the R is also from the assist blade of the Wizard Art. So yeah, this is our 2 new Beyblade, and we have the first 2 of them, the CX-01 and the CX-02. So yeah, I'm so happy to have this, and the purchase is coming. Woohoo! Yeah, the next one is coming. The 6CX. Yeah, the CX-03 is coming also. So watch out for the next vlog, because the purchase, the dark purchase, will come and we will witness it. So after those unleashing, I will really prioritize this one and make a video of the unboxing, the test spin, or the spin test, and then the test battles. Let's have a battle together with the CX, the UX, and the very first BX lines. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this kind of videos and contents, please do consider